ice accumulation around a trace. Lows 25 to 30. Chance. A message for the following county, North Cass, Minnesota. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches and ice accumulations of up to 1/10 of an inch. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? North Cass, South Itasca, South Cass, Crow Wing, Northern Aitkin, South Aitkin-Pine counties. This includes the tribal lands of the Mille Lacs Band, Hinckley, Big Sandy Lake, East Lake and Lena Lake areas. When? From noon Tuesday to 6 p.m. Wednesday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions can be obtained by calling 511. Road conditions can also be found at 511mn.org for Minnesota or 511wi.gov for Wisconsin. The forecast for the greater Bemidji area. Winter weather advisory in effect from 3 p.m. Tuesday to noon.